Welcome back, YouTube. I got a treat for you today. Today it's 48 degrees out for the first time this year. I think it's February 20th, 2022. And I am about to pull the big block mini bike out of storage and give her first fire up of the year. Obviously, I still haven't replaced that tire and she's flat. But I'll get that filled up and we'll check the oil and check my fuel. And I've had the battery tender on the battery all winter, but I doubt it's still going to start. We'll probably put a booster pack on it because that battery's only big enough to crank it over a few times. But yeah, let me get this thing pulled out and that tire aired up and I'll get back to you. Alright, well, I got her out here. Let's do a quick once over before we even try to start her up. Man, it's good to see this bike again. I love this thing. This dipstick needs to be changed. Looking pretty good. A little over full because it's tilted this way. The oil looks fine enough to start it today. I will be doing a oil change on this thing. I'm also going to change the coil pack because I think that's where that mist is coming from. I got another engine in the shed that I can pull some parts off of if need be. Looks like we got some fuel in there. It's enough to start it and run it for a little bit. Alright. Well, let me find my tripod and I'll get you set up and we'll see if this thing starts. Alright, found my tripod. Let's see what happens. I'm going to first start with no booster pack, but if I need it, it's sitting right behind me. So, let's see. Alright, it's been at least probably 4 or 5 months since it started. A little choke. Make sure this valve's on. Yes, it's on. That's off choke. Well, I guess she runs. That started way easier than I thought it would. I swear to God, I haven't had it running this year. Well, since she's running so smooth, I'm going to let her warm up for a few minutes and get you swapped over to the body mount, and we'll take her for a ride. Make sure I got enough gas to go ride for a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. yeah, she's still wheelie. Not running 100%, but I mean, first time it's run all year. If you'll spin the tire on ice. Sure. She's not dead, she's still alive. She's just been hibernating. It's been a little too cold. Yeah, don't worry, we got plenty to do yet. I think I'm gonna cut this all apart back here, make a full independent rear suspension setup for the thing, and I'd kind of like to extend the front fork down, possibly. We're definitely going to figure out this misfire it's got. I'm pretty sure it's my coil packs. We'll rebuild the motor, bring everything right back into tolerance where she should be, try to make a little more horsepower, and put a new tire on it. Well, this is Crazy Builder 141 signing on. Have a good day.